Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kriti. March is a great time to visit Japan. The season of spring is on during March and April, due to which the weather is moderate. To add on the best part, cherry blossom, also known as sakura, blooms in many parts of Japan. Don't get confused from the name. Cherries don't grow on this tree. Cherry blossom is from the genus Prunus. They bloom in Japan during mid-March to mid-April. They are a national symbol of Japan. The tradition of celebrating the blooming of cherry trees is centuries old. Some spots you can find sakura in Japan are Ueno Park, Yoyogi Park, Shiba Park, and even Rinkai-koen. As you can see in this video, we have got sakura's beauty clips from Ueno Park and Rinkai Park. Plum blossom is a flower similar to cherry blossom. The difference between them is cherry blossoms have splits at the end of their petals, while plum blossoms don't. The color of cherry blossom is mostly white or light pink, but they can be found in dark pink, yellow, and green colors too. Due to coronavirus, cherry blossom parties are prohibited. This holds disappointment for Ueno Park visitors because the spot is one of the best to see cherry blossom and one of the favorites of sakura fans. But we must remember it is for our own safety. Now, in 2021, even after emergency ends, cherry festivities restrictions stay. Cherry blossoms are the national flowers of Japan. The century-old custom of picnicking under sakura trees is known as hanami in Japan, which means flower viewing. There are about 200 different varieties of cherry blossom trees. In Japan, the most popular variety is Somei Yoshino. In ancient Japan, cherry blossom had great importance because it announced the rice planting season and was used to divine the year's harvest. During cherry blossom season, the whole of Japan literally turns into sakura themes. Cherry blossom flavored desserts and drinks at many cafes, food and drinks in Japan, cosmetic products, tumblers and mugs, everything. They all become sakura designed items. These also include the famous Starbucks Japan Sakura collections. Cherry blossom goods in Japan are very pretty. If you visit Japan, enjoy shopping them in this season. Sakura trees don't bloom for long. Although these pink beauties are very delighting to watch, they don't bloom for more than 1 to 2 weeks. They are usually found in rows. That's why we don't notice this often. They keep their peak color for about 3 days. Did you know, in Japan, no part of the cherry blossom tree goes to waste. The preserved leaves are used as edible mochi wrappers. Pepsi, Coke, tea, and Starbucks lattes have versions of sakura drinks. You can find 2 varieties of Kit Kats as well as Pokies, out of which sakura is one option. The Japanese celebrate cherry blossoms as a symbol of spring and renewal.